friends! Today we will study 30 verbs starting with B. Let's go!
I bake a cake with my mom. Angel bakes cookies in the kitchen.
I balance the book on my head.
David balances on one foot. I bathe my dog on Sunday. Angel bathes her cat. I beat the drum in music class. David beats the drum loudly.
I become better at English every day. Angel becomes a good student.
Angel becomes a good student.
I begin my homework after dinner. David begins the game now.
I believe my teacher. Angel believes the story. The story is about a magical forest. I love stories. I belong to the school club.
David belongs to the soccer team. I bend the paper to make a plane.
Angel bends the straw.
I bet my friend will win.
David bets on his team. I bite the apple. He bites the apple.
I blow the candles on my cake.
Angel blows the balloon.
I boil water for noodles.
She boils eggs for breakfast.
I bounce the ball in the yard.
David bounces the basketball.
She bows to greet her teacher.
I bow on the stage. I break the chocolate into pieces. David breaks the stick. I bring my book to school. Angel brings her lunchbox. I brush my teeth every morning.
She brushes her teeth before bed.
I build a tower with blocks. He builds a sandcastle. I buy a snack at the canteen.
She buys a pencil.